I'm going to see the Golden Girls at the theater. But there's one thing that's different. It's not the real Golden Girls. They're puppet Golden Girls. So we'll see how that goes. So welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a fabulous day. Today I wanted to show you, I'm going to be making up some Golden Girls favors. So I just wanted to show you how I put them together and what you'll need. I got these little gift box favors at the Dollar Tree, the Canadian Dollar Tree, in the baby section. Obviously some gold tissue for, you know, Golden Girls. Then you'll need, I cut these out just out of a magazine, but you could probably get them maybe online. You'll need the Blanche, Dorothy, Sophia, and Rose. Their little pictures. And I got some fake leaves here. So you'll need that. And then probably like a tag or card of some kind. Glue and scissors. You may need a few other things. If you do, I'll let you know. But those are the things I'm going to be using to make these Golden Girl favors. So if you want to see how I put them together, stay tuned. So one of the things is you're going to want to put together one of these little favor boxes. And it's very easy. So I'm just going to quickly, hopefully, show you how to do that. It's already creased, so you just want to make the creases crease there. Oops. Fold this down. It'll show you where to do that. There's a fold. Fold. And hopefully you guys can see that. So they're all folded. So then you just want to put all this down and then just tuck, it didn't work, tuck this in like that, like so. It's really easy. And then you got your little favor box. And I see that, you know, there is a little baby carriage on there, but we will be covering that up. So I hadn't told you what I was going to put inside the favor box, but I found these strawberry cheesecake Jello cups here. They do fit, but barely. If you watch the Golden Girls at all, you know that like around 3 o'clock in the morning they get together and they'll have some cheesecake. So that's why I picked these. And plus I couldn't find anything else, and I wasn't going to just buy cheesecake and cut it and put it in there. That'd be kind of a mess. So I thought these would be kind of along the theme. So there's the Jello inside the little box. So it is kind of, you know, it does fill it up. So I was thinking, this is how I might put them together, and then stick that onto the front of the favor boxes. So let's see how that works out. I'll just be gluing them.
Thank you for being a friend. Travel down a road and back again. Your heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant. I'm not ashamed to say, I hope it always will stay this way.
I'm going to see the Golden Girls at the theater. But there's one thing that's different. It's not the real Golden Girls. They're puppet Golden Girls. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm going to the theater. My lovely husband is driving me and dropping me off because I'm going with some ladies that he works with. I'm meeting up with them to go see the show tonight. We're going out for dinner first. So yeah, I'm going to go see the puppet Golden Girls. Woo! This is where we're having supper tonight at this place called Greco's.
It's really good. I don't know what's in it. Did you try it?
Okay, so this is good for fingers.
I think I'll stand it.
Oh my gosh, yeah. So it was an awesome show. If you get a chance to ever go see it, you need to go and see it. It was so wonderful, so much fun. And thank you for watching, and thank you for being my friend. And remember what I always say here: believe in yourself, I believe in you, and you truly will go far. I hope you like these, and let me know down below if you watch the Golden Girls, if you like them or if you don't, and if you do like them, who is your favorite Golden Girl? I'd love to hear. So please put that down in the comments. Toodaloo, my darlings. Thanks for being my friend. Thank you for being my friend. Traveling down the road and back again. My heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant. Thank you for being my friend.